California supplies the nation with an incredible amount of resources. In fact, if California was its own country, it would be the 9th richest in the world. Some of California's resources include gold, timber, water, oil, agriculture, and technology. The reason for California's wealth and resources is because California has 4 geological and 4 geographical regions: the coast, where timber and wood is grown; the mountains, specifically the Sierra Nevadas, where gold was first found back in January 24, 1848, when the California Gold Rush first started; the Central Valley, where all the agriculture takes place due to the fertile soil; and lastly, the Mojave Desert, where copper and sand are mined to create microchips for your phone. More geology equals more resources, which equals more money. Though California has a plethora of resources, it also has its downsides. One of California's main threats is the dangers of earthquakes. The San Andreas Fault is a cause for this. The San Andreas Fault is a tectonic boundary between the Pacific Plate and North American Plate. The fault extends roughly 810 miles through California. The rubbing of tectonic boundaries sometimes results in an earthquake.
One-third of California's water supply comes from the top of the state, but 80% of the population lives below Sacramento. California transports the water down through reservoirs and aqueducts. Over 80% of the water California gets is used for agricultural purposes. 10% is for urban uses. Right now, California is in a statewide drought.
And it's only getting worse.
But there has not been much snow, so we are in big trouble.
Now on to energy. California uses the second most energy out of all 50 states. A non-renewable energy source is a source of energy that can't be quickly naturally replaced since it takes billions of years to form. They form when dead plants and animals decompose and settle on the ocean floor and in porous rocks. Over time, the energy is trapped in with the sediments. We dig them up and use them for heating our houses and making our cars run. Non-renewable energy resources include nuclear fuels, fossil fuels such as coal and natural gas. Carbon is the main element in all fossil fuels.
There are 3 main types of renewable energy sources. Solar energy is energy used from sunlight. Number 2 is wind energy. Number 3 is geothermal energy. Hydro energy.